Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to fix PDF print issue. Okay, let's start the video. First open PDF file. Okay, now click on Adobe Reader. This is our PDF file. Now take a print. Click on print icon. Okay, select printer here. Printer is G2010. Now click on print. When click on print, this download option shown, save option. Okay, now close this. Now click on print once again. Now click on advance. See here print to file, uncheck this option, click on OK. Now click on print. Now you see print is in progress. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.